Hello everyone, welcome back. We're going to be talking about how frustrating doing models is, but it also can be rewarding.
Nice.
I've picked up along the way 5, important but 5 helpful tips to help you along the way. I'm here to save you the time and the money. Here are 5 things that I wish I knew about when I started modeling. So taking your time doing a model, you'll end up with good results, not hoping and expecting it's going to take 2 days. Just remember that, taking your time, relaxing, enjoying the model too, you end up with good results. The slower you go, the better results. Think of it as it's a marathon, not a sprint. Now, of course, when you're starting out learning to do a model, you don't need all the fancy tools right away. Remember, you're learning at the beginning to take that step up. You don't need fancy air guns, fancy spray booth. You can get amazing results just with basic tools. I in my early days, walked into a model shop and seen all the fancy tools in the shop windows and stuff like that. You don't really need them when you're just starting out. Now, of course, with not every model that you do, but when you start off doing your models, you're not expecting it to be a showroom piece at the start. If it comes up like that, beautiful. With each model that you do get better and better, and you do use a bit more different tools, different paints. It's just a step up till you're very, very happy with the jobs that you're doing. I'm also going to talk about decals, the things that I wish I knew at the beginning. They can be a bit difficult at the start. Could be the different solutions that you need to use. I wish I knew at the start of which easy solutions that I could use when applying the decals. Now, of course, with transfers, you've got to be very, very patient with them. So just remember to take your time with them. Now, of course, when we do a model, sometimes we make a little bit of mistakes, but you shouldn't compare it to other people's models that you see perhaps on YouTube or anything like that. You got to remember, at the end of the day, they may have had a lot more experience doing this. At the start, you make it your own. You'd be happy with what you've achieved within yourself. Stuffing up is also part of the process, really. We learn with each model. And if you're new to the modeling world, welcome. And if you've done a few models and there are 5 things that you wished you knew about at the start of doing a model, just leave a comment down below and I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Please give it a like. Let's get building.